Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, I'm gonna compare these two products to see which one works better and lasts longer. I'm gonna divide the hood into three sections, applying the Meguiars Ceramic Wax as it's recommended on the spray bottle, and on the middle section I will apply it dry, and on the right section I will apply Ice Spray Detailer from DoesTurtle. The first product is Meguiars Ceramic Wax, and the second product is Ice Spray Detailer from DoesTurtle. And I'm gonna be using some microfiber towels, a tape, isopropyl alcohol to remove any old wax on the panel before using these products. Let's give the car a quick wash and hit it with a foam cannon. Some people recommended in the comment section below of my previous video that applying Meguiars Ceramic Wax dry is gonna last longer, and we're gonna find out. Okay, the panel is clean and dry. Let's wipe it with isopropyl alcohol before applying the products. Okay, I will apply the Meguiars Ceramic Wax wet to this section and dry on this section. Applying ceramic wax is very easy. Spray it on a wet panel and then wipe it with microfiber towel. Flip the towel and wipe it again to remove any leftover strings. This is where we're gonna apply it dry. Let's see if it's gonna bond better than the other side. With applying ceramic wax, you have to wipe it very good, otherwise you will leave string marks on the panel. And on the right side, I'm gonna apply Ice Spray Detailer. Just spray it on a panel and wipe it with microfiber towel. You don't have to worry about creating strings. Let's do the water beating test. Which one has better protection? I think they have the same protection, all water beating evenly. Next, I will wash the car and we'll see after how many washes we will still have the protection. After the first wash, all three got the same protection. The only problem is with Meguiars Ceramic Wax. Even though I wiped it twice with two different towels, we still got string marks. So which one you prefer to use on your car? As always, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.